to be sincere. Feeling this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure, unclear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume the speed in my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So I do struggle with cleaning the house and shutting down the house every night. I have been doing it and I have been making it a habit. So I did make this video hoping that I can motivate you too if you are struggling with shutting down the house and getting ready for the next day. So I'm just showing y'all really quick this Bath & Body Works haul. After my doctor's appointment, I was able to catch the semi-annual sale, and I just got this blue raspberry spray and lotion for my 3-year-old since it's like light and, you know, a girly scent. I got me a set, I got 2 hand soaps, a candle, and then we ended up getting my husband a body spray. They had just came back from their grandma's house, and my daughter was like, she basically said she wanted to take a bath and she wasn't having no other way. So I had to wash them up really quick so then I can get into closing down the house for the night.
Leave it to chance or leave it to fate, but I'm missing you. Pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. Keeping it between us two. No matter what we go through, I stay true. But can we survive the distance?
Alright, so after I got them dressed, I put my headphones on, and this day I was listening to self-help videos, you know, put me in a positive space while I'm cleaning. So usually I would have the kids help me pick up their room. Like I said, they had just got from their grandma's house. I gave them a bath. It was like 100 degrees in Philly this day. I'm just like, let me just let them lay here and just chill out so I can get this done faster. So I picked up all their toys and then I'm going to vacuum, and I did start cleaning early this day. I started around like 6, I think. With me being pregnant, I be so tired. I could sleep for 2 days if people leave me alone. Like, that's how tired I be, and that's how much I sleep. I have to start early with getting the house together because there's a higher chance for me to go to sleep with a clean house that way if I start early versus like trying to do it later. Like, it's not going to happen. So after that, I closed their blinds and then I closed their curtain so they can watch some TV and chill out. And then I moved on to my room.
Just to show you how I really feel. Haven't had a single day of duty. Just to show you that my love is real. Do you even care when I stay? Oh baby, can you even tell I'm under your spell? Oh baby, I just wanna take another look at you so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you. Maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you. Will you let me? Oh, I hope that someday you will notice every little thing I do for you. Like the time I went to buy you flowers, 'cause you said your favorite one is blue. Do you even care?
Now, y'all know darn well I do not clean this bathroom every night before I go to sleep. But this day I had got the kids ready to go to their grandma's house, like I said, and then I had got ready to go to my appointment, then came back and washed both of them up. So I just felt like I needed to straighten up this bathroom before I took a shower later that night, just so I can feel good. So I put some Pine-Sol in the tub. I'm going to use this Clorox scrubbing brush to scrub the tub, and then y'all will see I have a spray bottle that's filled with Mr. Clean water and rubbing alcohol, and that's what I'm going to use to spray and wipe down everything else in the bathroom.
That's what you said. Yeah. That's what you said. You know that I need it. Feeling like Jonah, brother turn low now. How we gon' find our way? Feeling like Moses, man, the Lord Lord chose us, now we gotta find our way. Feeling like David, man, I done gave him all, I gotta find my way. You never feel me. I'm still feeling like Jonah, prophet on low now, how we gon' find our way? Feeling like Moses, man, the Lord chose us, now we gotta find our way. Feeling like David, man, I done gave him all, I gotta find my way. You never feel me.
So since I was filming this video and I had a cup of coffee, I was feeling good and I straightened up the whole house by myself. But most nights I would have my husband help me with whatever I feel like I can't do. So sometimes it will be cleaning, or other times he'll wash the kids up for me and get them ready for bed, or sometimes both. It really just depends on what I feel like I can't do. When it comes down to nighttime cleaning, I definitely be needing help. And then, like I said, I don't always clean the bathroom to this extent every night. Like, I do straighten up, but I'm not always wiping down the toilet and wiping down the sink. It just really depends on if I feel like it needs it or not.
Never burn, but instead love you forever, even more to the end. Cause all that I needed, thy hands have provided. Feeling like Jonah, prophet on low now, how we gon' find our way? Feeling like Moses, man, the Lord chose us, now we gotta find our way. Feeling like David, man, I done gave him all, I gotta find my way. You never feel me. I'm still feeling like Jonah, prophet on low now, how we gon' find our way? Feeling like Moses, man, the Lord chose us, now we gotta find our way. Feeling like David, man, I done gave him all, I gotta find my way. You never feel me. That's what you said.
This night was a good night because we wasn't home all day, so there wasn't a lot of dishes. And then for dinner, so basically I'm just kind of straightening up the kitchen right now just so I can make the kids PB and jelly. And I made their PB&Js on paper towel because I was not gonna make no more dirty dishes. And then once they were done eating, that's when I would come back into the kitchen and like really close down the kitchen. But me and my husband, we had leftovers from when we were out, so I really did not have to cook and I did not have to clean up much.
Hit me so hard. You got me feeling like I've been dreaming. So don't wake me up. Oh baby, you're amazing in every way, every night and day. Oh baby, you're amazing. Got me in the days. Wanna ride with me? I'm so caught up with your oh la la la, oh la la la, oh la la la. Oh baby, you're.
I'll put that cheap candle right on up so I can burn my new Bath and Body Works candle. But this day at the appointment, we found out that we're having a boy. And every single baby that I have, I knew the gender before it was even time for me to find out. I just always just felt and knew. I'm happy and grateful. So we'll have 2 boys and a girl, and that's it. Because I'm 27 years old, I'm done having kids. This is the last one. But I'm going to make a baby registry, and I'm going to have it linked down below if y'all want to check it out and help us with some stuff. And if you can't, I understand too. You watch my videos, commenting and giving my video a like will also help us out a lot, and I just appreciate y'all.
Wanna ride with me? I'm so caught up with you. Oh la la la, oh la la la, oh la la la. Oh baby, you're oh la la la, oh la la la, oh la la la. Oh baby, you're amazing. My melody, my everything, amazing. I want you, amazing. My melody, my everything, yeah, amazing. Ooh, I love ya. The first time I saw ya, knew you were the one.
When I mix this Gain dish soap and a little bit of bleach, it makes the kitchen smell like laundry is being done. And I like to use, usually I would do like a multi-purpose cleaner in the water, but I started using dish soap and a little bit of bleach because I find that it helps get food and grease up better. So I'm going to use that to wipe down everything in the kitchen.
Gonna be sweet, telling me you need me. Said I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets take it all night. Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong.
I like to stack the kitchen chairs on top of the table so it's easier for us to sweep and vacuum. And then I just like the way that it looks because it makes me feel like I'm really closing down the kitchen. And then after that, for the cat bowls, I usually wash her bowls at night so that way they'll be clean and ready in the morning for when it's time for her to eat in the morning. But this, I was just tired, so I just left her bowls in the sink with some hot water and some dish soap, and that was it. She knows at a certain point her bowls go up and she's fine. I make sure she's good, and then she will not have her bowls in the middle of the night because I do not like to leave her water and food out because I don't want it to attract any bugs. I don't know why I feel a way about y'all seeing my shower chair. I don't know. I'm just a little embarrassed, but it's really not that deep. I'm just weird. But my husband did get me a shower chair because I could not stand for like long periods of time, especially in the shower with like the steam and stuff. I gotta sit down. So anyway, I did my hair earlier that day at my desk, so I just put up all my hair stuff, and I'm picking up all the big trash on the floor. And then y'all will see that I was just irritated that I found the cup after I didn't already ran the dishwasher and wash dishes, so I just put the cup in the sink because I wasn't doing it. And then I had my husband finish off by sweeping the kitchen and in this little living room area. And then I did run the robot vacuum after, just in case, because you already know, like I let that robot vacuum do its thing after. And then I put a wax melt in the wax warmer, and then I ended the night by taking a shower and watching some Martin. So I hope that this video motivated y'all to get some evening cleaning done. If it did, please make sure you give this video a like. If you like being here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one.
I'm sending gratitude back, cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky.